Dryer won't spin. The motor runs, but the drum sits still. Here's how to figure out what's wrong. Most likely, broken drive belt. The belt wraps around the drum, loops around the idler pulley, and connects to the motor. When it snaps, the motor runs, but the drum doesn't move. You can confirm by opening the dryer and trying to spin the drum by hand. If it spins freely with zero resistance, the belt broke. 100 to 200 to replace. Second possibility, idler pulley failed. The pulley keeps tension on the belt. If it seizes or breaks, the belt slips off. Same symptoms as a broken belt. About $100 to fix. Third, motor failure. If you hear humming but no spinning, the motor might be seized. If you hear absolutely nothing, the motor could be dead or the thermal fuse blew. Motor replacement is 200 to 400. Fourth, drum rollers seized. The drum sits on rollers that can seize up. When they do, there's too much resistance for the motor to overcome. You'll usually hear grinding before they fully seize. 150 to 250. Quick test. Try to spin the drum by hand with the dryer unplugged. If it doesn't spin at all, the drum rollers are locked. If it spins freely, it's the belt. If it spins, but with heavy resistance, check the glides. Most non-spinning dryer repairs are straightforward and done in one visit. Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.